Okay, so in this video we'll have to create ellipse using concentric circle method. In order to do that, the question will be given somewhat like this. Major axis of an ellipse is 110 mm and minor axis is 70 mm. So these two details will be provided to us, and we'll have to draw an ellipse by using this method. Fine. So in order to do this, we'll have to start using minor and major axis. So take a line and draw a horizontal line. Okay. You can either use polar method to show the angles, or you can enable ortho. So keep your cursor in horizontal direction and give length as 110. So this is major axis, which is 110 in length. Then we need a minor axis. The minor axis, that center, the midpoint of minor axis should also be here. So what I'll do, I'll just draw a line somewhere. Of that length, minor axis length is 70 mm. So 70 mm I'll take, and I'll select, take its midpoint and keep it at the midpoint of major axis. If these yellow points, midpoint, endpoint and all, if they are not visible, you have to enable them here in this setting. So this setting here, what you can see, is called object snap settings. So you can either right click and go to settings and enable all of them, or you can just click on this arrow and select whichever you want. Okay. So once you have major and minor axis, you will have to draw a circle. So take circle from the midpoint. One is small circle, and then we need one larger circle. Once both the circles are ready, we will have to trim this. So trim command is TR double enter, remove one side of it, and then delete this also. And now we have to create an array of this. So go to array. Here you don't have to take rectangle, you have to take polar array. So select the line and go to polar array and click base point. So by default you will get 6 copies, but you want 12 copies. So go to atoms here and change this 6 into 12. So we will get 12 copies arrayed about this center point. Once you have this array, we have to create vertical lines from the intersection point of circle, the larger circle and line, and we have to create horizontal lines from the intersection of smaller circle and lines. So make sure you are taking these intersection point as perpendicular. Okay. Then trim off the unnecessary lines. And now these lines, I can just mirror it below and on the left side. So mirror command is MI, enter. And we want to mirror about this horizontal line. So you can click 2 points on this horizontal line, press enter. And again, I'll have to select all these lines, again mirror, and this time we have to mirror about a vertical line. So about this point and this point. Again press enter. Now all these intersection points, they are our required points. So passing through all of this, I have to create a spline. The spline command is SPL, and now start at one point and go on connecting it to all the points that we got. If this ortho and all, ortho or polar, if it is disturbing, you can turn it off, and then freely you can go on drawing the spline. When you have to choose the last point, instead of selecting it, press C enter or close. You can also select it by right clicking and choosing close. So this will result in a smooth ellipse which is connecting all the points that we have got. So this is how we draw ellipse using concentric circle method. Thank you. If you like our video, give us a thumbs up. You can comment and subscribe to our channel for any further updates. Thank you.